Hello class, my name is Ariday Ramirez and I would like to propose a toast to my little sister. Her name is Teresa Ramirez and she's an 8th grader. She's 13 years old and this school year was very hard for her. She's a very shy and introverted person. At first when she had to turn on the cameras and talk to the teachers through online, she had a few panic attacks, which was really sad, and broke my heart. So she had to learn to let go of that anxiety and work on herself and work on her presence at school. She's actually needs help with academic work. She's a more in-person type of person that learns. So it was really hard for the adjustment that she made, but I'm really proud of her because she overcame that and she put some work into doing what she needed to do, and she's really good at school right now with the help of me and my other sister as tutors and explaining to her and showing her what she needs understanding and organizing her so she can be a better student. So I think that I'm very proud of her for learning and be willing to learn and putting her part on this because it's not been easy for any of us, the situation that we are in right now. And so I'd like to propose a toast. It's water. Salud. Thank you and have a good day.